Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. What are y'all doing on March 7th? Well, I know where you could be. I will be celebrating my 50th birthday. And I was like, what do I want to do for my birthday? Instead of having you all enter a big giveaway somehow, I thought, let's play bingo. And I've been watching Kathy's World Bingo and by Mimi with Love's Bingo. And I kind of took their way of doing bingo and doing it my way. So thank you, ladies, for these awesome ideas. And you'll see the night of the bingo game, how I'm going to do it. But it is going to be on March 7th, my big 5-0 day. We're going to have 7 prizes, 7 games. Time is going to be 8 Eastern, 7 Central, 6 Mountain, and 5 Pacific. I hope you guys can be there. And prizes are cool. Allie helped put them. I put them together, and Allie helped a little bit, and she put them in bags and numbered them. And I have no idea what order they're in anymore. They're sealed. I couldn't tell you. So that's where I'm doing the 1 through 7. And the winner gets to pick a number. And I will be doing the bingo like this, where I'm going to take your names and put your names down, and I will do the dabber. So it's going to be 2 little from by Mimi with Love and Kathy's World Way of doing bingo. So I hope to see you there, and I hope we have fun, and I want to celebrate my birthday with you. So see you there, guys. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.